Well, so I got this account from this guy from Sri Lanka. I don't know if I pronounced the name correctly. It's Sri Ilanga. I don't know. So the guy said, Mr. TCee. Hi, Mr. TCee, and this is the auto response message which I send to people once you send message on my WhatsApp. And then I didn't reply on that day, and then on the next day he said, hi bro, can you use my dollar account on your YouTube video? I don't mind, even if there is profit split, raise it to at least maybe 300. I'll be sincerely grateful. I've been struggling to find my trading account, and this is my last dollar. Can you multiply it? God will bless you. All right. So after sending that message, he also sent the login details below, and then another message was sent again, and then another message was sent again. So I decided to open the charts, and then I found out that there are login details, and then I logged in, and there was a $0.09. That's how I started growing this account. So as I always say, the first trade is the one which determines either you are going to blow or you are going to grow. So right here, I just applied the basics concept of support and resistance. I noticed that Charm 100 is on a downtrend, but then the market doesn't move in a straight line, right? It makes an impulse move and then it retests impulse move. So I noticed that the market made a retracement on the support, so obviously it was going to form a resistance. So that was an opportunity to sell this Charm 10, right? So let's wait and see.
A few moments later.
Well, so exactly 30 minutes later, you can see that the trade didn't resist. It was already in a profit of $3. Okay, it was already in a profit of $3, and I just want you to check the entry. There was no any retracement. As soon as I entered, boom, the trade started going all the way down. So besides using this the basic concept of support and resistance, you can say that on my chart there's envelope indicator, right? There's envelope indicator. Let me close at $4.15, which is not that bad from $0.09. So as I said, the first trade is the one which determines either you are going to blow or you are going to grow. Now that I made $3 profit, there is a possibility that I'm going to grow, right? There's a possibility that I'm going to grow. So right here, the market made an impulse move going all the way down. Let me change the color of my trend line. So the market made an impulse move going down, and then you know the market doesn't move in a straight line. It have to go up, go down, go up, go down. So there was a retracement forming a resistance, and then it went down again, and then after it came for a retest on the support to form a resistance, and then that's where I took my sale. You can see the red arrow on that green rectangle. That's where I ended my sale. You can check, even there was no any drawdown. As soon as the market reached that resistance zone, it instantly went all the way down.
A few moments later.
Well, so after spending 4 hours of waiting for a setup, I opened volatility 151S, and then there was a flag, and you know a flag is a continuation pattern. Once you see this pattern, just know that the market is going to continue going in the direction of the trend, right? So the trend is in a downtrend. So right there was a breakout on the lower trend line, which simply mean that the trend is about to continue going down. And then with the help of the envelopes, there was a crossover on the blue envelopes, and again on that yellow envelope there was a crossover, which is a signal that the market is going to sell. So I don't waste any time. Once I see this confirmation, I took advantage of the strategy, right? So I already ended sale on volatility volatility 51S, and once the market makes a breakout on the lower trend line, I'm anticipating it to go all the way down, because I'm trading the continuation pattern. The flag appears when the trend is about to continue going in the actual direction, and with the help of the envelopes, as the confirmation. You see there was a crossover on the envelopes. I said don't worry about this, don't worry about the settings of the envelopes. You can check out them in the Telegram channel. So right now I think I have to wait while the market is reacting to the way I have analyzed, and I will come back and check later, maybe after 10 minutes, because volatility 51S is a little bit volatile. So in just a few minutes, it's either the account is going to blow or the account will be in deep profits. It's either we are going to make money or the account is going to be in deep profits. Remember, the target is at least $300. The target is at least $300. So let's hope everything is going to go according to the plan. Everything is going to go according to the plan. And right now, I'm waiting for a breakout. Then I will close my MT5.
A few moments later.
Well, almost 1 hour later, the trade is already in deep profits. Okay, the trade is already in deep profits now, on a profit of $11.78. Okay, and there was a breakout. You can check out the entry. Once the envelopes made a crossover, the trade instantly went all the way down, and even now it still keeps on selling. So I guess the envelopes are very powerful when it comes to confirmation, right? I guess I have to close right now. The profit is now good, $16.46 from a deposit of $9, which is not bad. Okay, which is not bad. So let's find another setups.
What are you planning to do?
We are waiting for the signal and we implement.
But who are you waiting for?
The signal.
Well, so after spending a few days of waiting for the signal, right here on volatility 1S, it seems like the market is about to buy hard, going all the way up. So we are waiting for the continuation pattern, since we already have the actual direction. The actual direction is an uptrend. So what's left right now is the entry. So how exactly I'm going to find an entry on this setup? Okay, obviously when you are taking the trade going in favor of the trend, we use the continuation pattern, right? And he said I'm going to use the ascending triangle, since the market is already going up, or the flag. So on the flag, I will wait for the breakout on the upper trend line, but it seems like all the confirmation are already confirmed, because the envelopes already crossed and the lower trend line, and the candlestick already bounced on the lower trend line. So I guess I'm going to enter this trade right now. So I took the buys, and I'm going to enter at least maybe 10 position, and I'm targeting $10 on each position. Okay, so I'm already in profit. I'm already in loss. I'm already in loss. I mean, let's wait and see. I don't want any retracement right here, because this pair is a little bit volatile. So in a scenario that it goes against me, the account will blow in just a matter of seconds. So I'm going to close, and I'll come back and check later.
A few moments later.
Well, so 24 hours later, this is actually what happened on volatility 25-1S. I blame myself, because this trade went all the way up to level 616,134, and last time I checked this account, it was in a floating profit of 360, right? But then I kept on holding, so you can see that the market made a retracement, and then it came again close to close to the entry, and then after that I added more position. So I use that straight line for adding more position. You see there's first peak, second peak, and then third peak, and then there is fourth peak on the trend line, and on the current market price where the trade is, there's another peak, which makes this trend a very strong trend for buying. Okay, remember, this is not my personal account, it's just a giveaway which I do when I'm growing small accounts, and the account is for this guy from Sri Lanka, and the guys keep on sending message in my DM. All right, so I'm anticipating this volatility 25 to buy all the way up, and 48% of the people in the Telegram channel voted me to take this account from $0.09 to 5,000. I don't know. Let's wait and see. I'll update you on the next episode on this channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon, and also don't forget to join the Telegram channel. You can check out the link in the description, because that's where I choose people to grow their account, right? So see you on the next episode.